Hi, this is Tila with Explore Sex Talk, and I want to start off by wishing you a happy Pride. Across the world, rates of STIs have continued to climb in almost every community.
Last year, the World Health Organization found over 1 million cases of syphilis in pregnant women alone. In the United States of America, in 2016, there's 27,814 cases of syphilis, 468,514 cases of gonorrhea, and 1,598,354 cases of chlamydia. In BC alone, in 2014, there was 546 cases of syphilis, 1,786 cases of gonorrhea, and 13,278 cases of chlamydia. Now, if your face is going like this, think about this. Only an estimated 12% of the population gets tested every year. Yeah, 12%. In the US, STIs cost an estimated $16 billion annually. They also are responsible for roughly 31,600 new cases of cancer, as well as roughly 24,000 cases of infertility every year.
All of these things can be avoided by just a magic little piece of latex, or its non-latex equivalent. We need to end the embarrassment, discomfort, and general negative feelings that people have about using condoms. Join the fight to end STIs by doing the Real Condom Challenge.
So it's time to grab your phone and a package of your favorite condom or barrier and snap a selfie. Hashtag it the Real Condom Challenge. Don't want to post a selfie? Really hate condoms? Don't worry, you can still contribute to the end of STIs. The Real Condom Challenge seeks to raise money for organizations that care about sexual health. If you don't want to post your selfie, head on over and donate to the cause today. You can make a difference.
Sexually transmitted infections can literally happen to anyone. They don't discriminate against age, gender, ethnicity. It doesn't matter. Anyone can get them. This is everyone's fight. Join the fight, and together, you and I can put an end to sexually transmitted infections.